So I am here today to look at a 70s, I believe it is a 78 Chevrolet Caprice Classic 4-door. Got a cool two-tone paint job, and it was shipped over here from California a few years ago. It's never been driven on Connecticut roads, and I'm here today to try to revive it. So this car was owned by her mother in California. 52,000 original miles. Literally grandma driven, and it has never been out of this garage except for when it was towed here. Never been registered or titled in Connecticut or driven on Connecticut roads. Alright. Here is the first look inside. Needs a little bit of cleaning, but looks very good. Yeah. She's been sitting for years. She has been sitting for years. Wow. Okay. First time in the driver's door. It's locked. Okay, first time on the driver's side. Got the door cracked. Let's see. Oh wow, the seats. Oh, it's got electric seats. Wow. Miles. 52. Alright, here's the first look inside the old power barn. Wow, she is still latched. Come on, old girl, open up. Oh yeah. Alright, what do we got? Is she the V8? Oh, it's a V8. Oh, it's a V8. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, rat's nest. It's a V8. Oh wow, lots of mouse poop. Oh, I don't even care. Oh wow, this is amazing. Got the little smog pumps. Oh my gosh, this is... Holy cow. That connection got chewed away, I guess. Alright, I need to check this engine code sticker. Oh, please do not bite me, spiders. Please do not bite me. What is this? Vehicle information. Emission controls. Catalyst. Okay. Engine. 350. 4-barrel. Oh my god. Oh, this is a gold mine. Oh my god. This is a gold mine. Oh, it's got the light. It's got the light for under the hood. Oh my god. Okay, I'm taking the air cleaner off, and let's see how the carburetor looks. Look at that. Alright. Oh no, there goes the thumb screw. Alright. Oh. She's not seized. Oh, is there an accelerator pump? Oh my gosh, all right, let's check the oil. Oh, she's got oil in her. Looks pretty good. Wow. Transmission next. Go in, go back in. All right, there we go. Okay. It's got Is that the AC compressor? Oh, it's the AC. It's got a new compressor. She's got AC. Let me check transmission dipstick. Where is it? Way in the back. All right. I'll come back when I find the transmission dipstick. All right, I've located the transmission dipstick. Let's check the trans fluid. Oh, wow. What was that? Oh, vacuum line. I'll find where that goes later. Let's check the trans fluid. Oh, wow. That is, it's a little crusty and watery. All right, that's gonna be changed on immediately. But, still not terrible. All right, so I've got a new battery in, and this trusty dusty hood light still works. So I'm going to take the fuel hose off the carb now so that we don't suck up any trash from the tank. And I'm just gonna fill up the bowls and see if it'll fire off. All right, so I can't get this fuel line off, so I'm just cracking it. And if gas starts spurting out, I'll just come back and retighten it. And it's totally breaking the hose because it's so stuck. It's twisting the fuel hose. That's great. All right, I guess I have to leave it. All right, so I'm gonna fill the bowls just to give it every little chance. All right, and then just a little bit of a squirt. All right, let's give her a crank.
All right.
Don't stand directly in front of it. All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Yep, it's rolling.
First start in 20 plus years.
Alright, it's rolling.
Count 3. Come on, baby, start. Oh, shoot. All right, ready?
Yep.
Oh, it won't crank. Come on.
Yep. It starts up. All right, it's rolling. Pop it in neutral.
Oh, and there goes the fuel. All right, we've got the air compressor going. We're gonna get all the tires aired up and put it in neutral and then roll it out for the first time in over 20 years. And as you can see, it did shoot a bunch of rust out of the exhaust when we first started it up.